Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Sport S-tronic finished in the modern brilliant black paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a petrol plug-in hybrid engine with 204 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek A3 badging at the rear, and this is all topped off with rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find the AC charging port on the passenger side of the car, supporting easy home charging. This hybrid on a 7kW fast home charger can fully charge the battery in just 3 hours and 45 minutes, providing an electrical range of up to an impressive 40 miles. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points for secure child seats. The front houses a multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vehicle range dependent on charge levels, vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features a phone box with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.